Hi there, welcome to episode 90 of The Daily Shed, and today I'm going to show a little riff from a Joe Satriani song. It's a song called Power Cosmic that I don't think appeared on any of his albums. It was actually on a flexi disc way back in the day, and I saw a little bit on a video once where he played some of it. Anyway, it's a cool pattern, and I'll go ahead and play the pattern for you with big stretch. Again. You see, it's a really big stretch and kind of too big to comfortably play without sliding around at least a little bit or making a big stretch. And this is a nice exercise both for stretching, for slowly improving the stretch of your fingers, but also for trying to keep things legato even when you have to move your hand a little bit to try to connect the notes together. So play it very slowly again, and it's an A. It's basically an A minor add 9 chord, or an A minor 9 chord arpeggio. It's not a complete arpeggio, but the notes in it are from that particular chord. So here I'll do it again very slowly just to get the notes. So 5th fret on the A string, or 5th fret on the E string, 7th fret on the A string, 9th fret on the D string, 5th fret on the G string, 8th fret on the B string, 10th fret on the E. So So again, it's kind of a minor 9 chord, basically, or I guess more like that arpeggio. But a nice thing to do is to play through those notes and try to connect each one to the previous one, even if it is too big of a stretch for it to comfortably sit here and just play without moving at all. And what I do is my right hand, whether I'm doing pick or fingerstyle, just play straight through the strings. I'm not like, double picking each string or alternate picking. I'm just playing straight down just to make it really important that legato is happening. So again, so you really want to try to connect them as much as possible. Even that one is kind of tough. That's a very big stretch there, but try to connect them as much as you can, and then back down again. Again, even if you have to move your hand around, just try to connect them without any break between. And if you really want to get advanced, in the original song, Joe Satriani actually didn't pick at all. He just tapped all these. So he mutes it up here and then plays like that. It's kind of hard to come out much on a classical guitar, but if you have a steel string or electric, or you want to try it on the nylon string. He tapped with his left hand throughout all those at a very high speed. But what I think would be most useful to do is just treat it as a nice stretch with a cool musicality under it. Again, that pattern. As legato as possible. I really like the sound of this arpeggio, and I find it pretty useful myself sometimes, even just to stretch and warm up before a show. So I hope this is useful to you. As always, thanks so much for watching.